the position vectors of A, B and C are 4 vector A followed by negative of 3 vector B, vector A plus vector A followed by 3 of vector B and negative 5 times of vector A followed by vector B respectively. And what we have to show? We have to find vector AB, vector BC and vector AC. Okay. So, now position vector of A is given by 4 vector A minus 3 vector B, position vector of point B is equal to vector A followed by 3 times of vector B and position vector of C is given by negative 5 times of vector A followed by vector B. Now what we have to find? We have to find number 1 vector AB. Now number 1, vector AB is equal to position vector of B minus position vector of A. Okay, simple step. Now position vector of B, it is A followed by 3 vector B, then minus for A now opening the bracket, this is equal to now negative of 3 vector A plus 6 vector B. Vector AB is equal to followed by 6 times vector B. Answer. This is for the first part. Then for the second part, vector BC now position vector for vector C then vector B and here we get minus 6 with vector A followed by twice negative vector B. Vector BC is equal to answer for the second part. Now third part. Third part is we have to find AC. Position vector of C minus 5 vector A followed by vector B, then for A, 4 times vector A followed by 3 times of negative of vector B. Now this is equal to followed by 4 vector B. So this was a simple example to show you that how to find vector, given vector, for example A, B, B, C or A, C, when position vectors are given. Is it clear? So we are having 3 answers, number 1, then number 2 and then number 3.